Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Well, I'm just proud of you all, and I want you guys to continue educate, get your education, so you guys could have a great, good job, so you could take care of mommy and the rest of the family, right? You guys gonna have a good job? Okay, continue to study, and I'm proud of you all. Thank you.
Thank you once again. Thank you too. All right. I could never ever handle 130, 150 babies on my own. Never. I will not say me do that by myself. Never. I can't say that. I will never ever say that. All this is possible because we have teachers who give up their time. Teachers like myself, imagine school just closed Friday, 27th of June. And right away, Raven and I, they give up their time Monday. No rest. They say no rest in the weekend, true? But it's because we love what we do. And I'd like to say a huge thank you to my 3 amazing teachers. My 3 amazing teachers. I'll start off with Miss Kyra Sutherland. I mean, it's amazing how she would leave Belize City every year to be with us here at Jai. Imagine leaving your comfort of your home just to come and deal with something that you love. So let's give it up for Miss Kyra Sutherland. And they don't only get a certificate, I'd like to give them also a token sponsored by Miss Ella Connerky, Jude Belize, president of the Jude Belize Foundation, and a little bag, a gift bag from Abby's collection. One thing I want to do, the hustle for my babies and my teachers. Miss Sutherland. She not come back to it, but I think she lied. So thank you so much. The cup is from Miss Ella Connerky, and we have our collection from Abby's collection. To Miss Jessica Sanchez, I want to say thank you. So I think Miss Sanchez more than me and my other 2 teachers. But what I appreciate more about Miss Sanchez is something don't goes right. I mean, at the end of the day, we sit down and she said, well, Miss, this is what happened today, and I think that we could do better tomorrow if we could take it this way. And believe you, I'm open. I guess that's why we're still here after 4 years together. And then we keep on getting bigger and better because then we open to each other's suggestion and comment. Miss Jessica Sanchez. And to Miss Kelsey Castellanos. Miss Kelsey, thank you so much. When Miss Kelsey call every day, she have to call delivery. We for hope. Quick. This is the dedication that our teachers have. If the delivery don't come, I believe some of our babies will witness at the real. Miss Kelsey Castellanos, thank you so really, thank you so. I'm jealous. Miss Kelsey get a perfume set and her collection from Abby's perfume set, sponsored by Miss Ella Connerky, Jude Belize Foundation.
Thank you.
Colleen Langsworth, I see my baby step in. Come, Colleen. This is Colleen, first time here with us. Came as a shy little girl, But as time goes by, sometimes I have to wonder if that Colleen really the tactical. Let's give it up for Colleen Lansworth. I'm not sure if Mr. Kenrick Gonzalez is here, but Mr. Kenrick Gonzalez has been one of our donors, our sponsors as well, and he will step in from time to time to ensure that we're doing A-OK here. So we'd like to say a huge thank you to Mr. Kenrick Gonzalez. Let's give it up for Mr. Kenrick Gonzalez. All right, once again, parents, we just like to say a huge thank you. Next year, I don't even want to say what we'll do for next year. But next year is we call it our 5 years grand. So from the time you hear 5 years grand, you already know what grand means. So we'll go real grand for next year. Parents, I'll say something. Every year after Easter, we put out our flyers for registration. I'll advise you, it always goes out maybe after Easter Monday, maybe the Tuesday, early Wednesday. That's every year. As you see the flyer, we have a registration date on the flyer, which is usually in May. I'll advise you to come in and register your babies if you like for them to come back around that time, and early we go May into June. Usually the 2 weeks before we start, we are already full, right? And then, because you feel, oh, my baby, we're done there, so my baby space secure. That's not all the time. That's not the case all the time. Because then we have an application form that we use. And then some of our parents will text us on the day of registration, which works well for us. Because then that's the day of registration. So we're here doing registration, and we can just simply write it down on the registration form, and then you come in and sign afterwards. Please secure our baby's space. If you like for them to come back, believe me when I say 5 years grand, it's 5 years grand. Only that I'll say. So you register our babies real early, and then you have them in. I feel bad when you call and I know the babies me done here, and you call and you say, Miss, I was send her, you have, I can give one example of my one child, because Tamara, imagine they own all this thing, and I have to register my own data. Right? So, Tamara certificate there. Tamara Johnson. Give it up for Tamara Johnson. Yeah, so I would always say this program, Johnson's Free Tutoring Program, is because of Tamara Johnson. Yeah, so I would always, so you tell me, Miss, you have Tamara name there? And I was saying, no, you may register. No, Miss, for my mind, then I feel bad for someone, but we're full. And you know what happens sometimes when you come and register your child and they come. You know, say the first day they come and then 3 more behind they want to register. This was 1 year we had to turn back students, and I felt so bad. So if we could register our babies from early, we had to turn them back, because when they're here, we feed them for free when we go on educational tour. We take them for free. I mean, we have a budget that we use that we will send out. So just register them early. Next year, imagine a family, they on the beach with a band, 5 years grand. Get ready, right, Miss Cher? All right, parents will ask that you don't leave the group chat. Our next big event is Christmas. For the first time last year, we did a Christmas party for parents in the night. Parents are telling us something. We party with band. I know I tell them in front of the babies, but we get nice drinks. And we get food. And because we're in our own yard, we party on weekend till the morning. So we honor our parents' Christmas time. Don't leave the group chat as After we're finished with our Christmas party, our babies come for Christmas party as well. We eat ham and turkey. They don't get chicken. Real ham, real turkey. I know I tell about somebody we eat all the ham last year. But that's okay. Chubre? Yes, so don't leave it. We have our grand Christmas party parents, our second annual parents Christmas party. Tell them, Michelle, to get ready. Right? So before you leave, we have come to the end. I really appreciate everybody here today. We have some goodies here sponsored by Jude Billy's Foundation again, by Miss Ella Konerke. And we also have some chips from Snackers. Snackers donate to our babies every year. Every year, yes, somebody say, and juice, they know what's up with Snackers. Once they are here for 1-2 times, first, second year, they know who our sponsors are. So we have some goodie bags from Miss Ella Konerke, president of the Jude Billy's Foundation, and a Snackers chips and a juice from Boeing and Boeing. Don't leave, babies, without getting your snack. Parents, thank you so, so much.
That's it.
Sing, babies.